Hey, what's up, high levelers? It's Andrew, and today we're going to be talking about spam tagging. Now, this is a feature that allows incoming calls to your high level number to get flagged as spam if they are suspicious numbers. And this will happen whenever you get a phone call on the high level mobile app. So if you get navigated to the lead connector gray label version, the high level app, or your white label equivalent, and you're taking the call within the app, you will still see that spam flag. Or if you just get the spam flag on your phone while your mobile device is off, then you'll still get the regular spam likely flag, just like you would usually get with any phone calls coming to your regular mobile number. Now, this is important because this allows you to decipher between incoming calls if they're going to be spam calls or not. This is just another level of security that we have on our high level / lead connector phone system. So this is a really exciting feature that's going to really just give a more polished feel to the LC phone system. And it's going to make it easier for you to identify positive or negative or spam callers coming into your lead connector number. If you have any questions about this, feel free to refer to the help doc. And as always, thank you very much for watching.